Hi. Happy New Year. I hope you had an amazing passing of the year. And my name is Carolina, and this is Carolina's Closet. And this year, I am doing a not gigantic, but big yearly project that is a temperature blanket. I have it all explained in my video where I explain my crochet blanket, temperature blanket that I'm doing. And I want to be recording every day and posting it. Maybe not every day on YouTube. Let's see how that goes. I already missed a day. I'm going to talk about that in a second. The first day, but I did it. This is it. This is my hexagon for day 1, the 1st of January. Was the temperatures of the day, first current of the time that I was doing it, and last one. And I filmed it a little bit, but the thing is, wait, let me start. Let's crochet. Grab your hooks, your knitting needles, your crochet hooks, anything that you want to do, and let's do it with me. So the temperature right now is at 28 Celsius. The low was marked here at the weather app as a 23, and the high, and that's the problem here, the high is at 30. So let me explain myself as I start. So the low is 23. The 23 is this color here. So let's start. Also, I would like to mention the audio might suck a little bit. It's just for this video, I swear. Maybe mostly tomorrow's. That's because I'm at my friend's house and I didn't bring like any way to record audio. But that being said, my last 2 videos that I recorded, I kind of fucked up because I had my hair bumping against my the recording thing, the microphone, and I think that could be triggering for some people. I don't know. I managed to, it was fine for me, but I did it. I feel like some people might be bothered by that, so that's not gonna happen in this video, but the audio might suck a little bit. Anyway, yeah, so this is the temperature, the color of the temperature 23, and that is the low of the day. Not right now. Right now it's 28. It's very hot. So yeah, I don't have the color for the temperature 30 with me. This is all I have. And yeah, basically, I came to my friend's house to spend New Year's. I just did my slip knot. Now I'm going to start to spend New Year's, and every time that I come here, I have a parking lot that I can park at their building. So I just assumed I was going to park in the building, and because I thought I was going to park in the building, I didn't really bother to make smaller versions of my of my yarns, because I had all of the yarns in a big box, and I just have all of them in the box with the temperature that they represent. And because I thought I would be able to go downstairs and grab at the box my the color of the day, I just left it like that. However, when I got here, I actually couldn't leave the I'm having trouble. I couldn't leave the box of I couldn't leave my car in the garage, and I wasn't going to just pick up that box of yarn and bring it up to their apartment, because that's nonsense. That's just too big of a thing to just bring up and leave around the house, So I went downstairs, and I before getting out of the car, because the car was going to stay somewhere else, I did this little bunches of yarn to just keep them with me so that I could film this video, that I could start a temperature blanket in the first, because when I'm here I don't actually use the car at all, because I don't really have to go out. So I just I picked these up and I have them with me. And what I did was I looked at the low temperature and the high temperature that was indicating for the next few days in the weather app, and I got one temperature more, one temperature less, one color that you got it. And I made these little like bunches of yarn and I brought them up. However, it started getting really hot. It just started getting hotter and hotter. And I just had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just don't have the yarn that represents the temperature 30 and 31 Celsius. So I will be doing this middle bit that I almost finished, and I will be doing the petals next, and then I'll stop. I also and then I will finish these later because we might go out. Oh my god, I might be going out today to watch Avatar. Why did I say it like that? Anyway, Avatar, and I'm so excited. I actually really want to see it. It's long, such a long movie, but I really want to see it. So right now it's at 28. It just went down. Okay, literally as I opened the app, the temperature went down to the 27, but when I started it, it was 28. So I'm gonna keep the temperature because 28, because 28 and 27 are different colors. So I'm using 28 is this one, and then I'll stop to finish it later, and I'll just show it here on screen, maybe on tomorrow's video. So 27, and I started this roughly around like 4 in the afternoon ish. Yeah, so 28, 29 color, this is it. And yeah, also yesterday I did make it, as I'm showing you. I did do it and I did record it. I will put on screen a little bit of the video, whatever is there to like show, because the thing is, I was feeling very ill yesterday. I wanted, first of all, I slept throughout the whole day, which sucks. Like, it really sucks. I don't like sleeping like that. I basically went to sleep at like 8 a.m 9-ish, and I slept all the way to 4. That was insane for me. Like, I don't sleep like that. And you know, I ate something. I went to the beach because I need to go to the beach. It's New Year's. And when I came back, I started feeling very poorly. You know, like when you drink alcohol, like, sometimes that happens. You need to, like, you know, be sick and things like that. But I was just feeling very ill and ugly by the time I got around to like making my hexagon. And I filmed it a little bit, but I was like, I'm not going to like talk or anything. I'll just like log it and continue, but like I'll put it in tomorrow's video. Also, the house was full yesterday. Everyone is here. We were like, you know, enjoying food. And I was like, I'm not going to like take myself out of here. Like, I already took myself out of the table to be sick. I didn't want to like not be around everyone who's here just to do the crochet, because that's the thing about crochet, you can do everywhere and anywhere, and it's something that is very like, for once you get it, like you get the stitches and the things like that, you can go out and, you know, you can crochet with other people, but you can even be hanging out with people who are not crocheting and just, you know, enjoying conversation, talking to people while you crochet. So that is that. This is why I didn't post a full video yesterday. Yeah, anyway, let me know if you are, you know, doing a project. It doesn't have to be temperature blanket, you know, you could use this time with me and maybe finish some of your work in progresses. You can crochet whatever you want to crochet, or, you know, do those things that you get to do with other people's companies, like, you know, puzzle or anything that you're like wanting to get into this year. Maybe use this time in my video to do it with me. I love that. That was like my idea with doing a daily log, or like as possible, like as much as I could daily log. And yeah, this is it. I'm now finishing the second row, and I'll just start on the petals right now. Let me know, like, how did you guys pass your year? I had so much fun. I went to a party with my friends, not for like the passing, like actual like midnight struck. I was here at my friend's house, but then after we went to a very nice party, might have drink a little bit too much, just a little bit too much, and yeah, it was really fun. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm just joining the other one. I'm thinking, let me know if you're watching this as I post it. I'm thinking about doing a actual crochet cam. I think I can do this. Wait, 1, 2. And like as I film me talking, I also film like just the crochet and leave it on the bottom of the screen as just that. Oh my god, I'm just like in the most beautiful position there is to be, and I'm filming in 0.5. I love filming in 0.5 zoom. I don't know, I think it's controversial. I feel like it's not the most flattering angle, but I just love it. It records is mostly because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always have to record large spaces because I'm filming like fabric and you know, crochet, knit, things like that. I have to film like full shots of like the ground, but I feel like it's not, you know, a very common thing to do. Like, I don't know, a lot of people might not like to film in 0.5 because it's kind of a quirky angle. It's like a quirky little angle. I love it though. 1, 2. Oh, also, like, I have to get a little faster. Not, like, you know, to be honest, I thought these were going to be a little bit faster. I don't know why. Oh my god, I went wrong. This is wrong. I have to start, you know, being able to make this a little faster because I might not be able to, you know, have the time to crochet and film and edit and post if I don't do this, you know, faster. I think my goal is to make one of these in half an hour. So I feel like half an hour is a good, you know, a good time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to do these, and I get to, you know, edit a little bit the video and post it and not consume too much of my day because I don't have that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't have that much. You know, I have time to do this, but it's like, I don't know. Okay, so I made this second and third roll with the color that represents the temperature right now. Actually represents the color of the temperature that the temperature when I started, because as you could see, just as I started, the temperature went down one thing. But this is it for now, and I don't have the color that represents the temperature 30, as I just said, so I will finish this later at night when I get my car and do the brim, the little white thing. All the borders are going to be white, all of them. It's like a creamy white. And yeah, if I'm finished filming this video right now before I go out and watch Avatar and get my car, I will post this video like this without the finished version, and you get to see it tomorrow in the next video. But if I don't finish editing this, I will get the color and finish it and show it to you before I stop filming, before this video ends. So that's just a heads up. But this is it. As you can see, it's really fun already seeing just like 2 days, exact days, like one after the other. This is the first, this is the second. They're already so different. Like, this was yesterday, this is today. And this is what I think is going to be fun about this project, is not as like, you know, if we were to do just like the average of the day from yesterday and today, the average would probably be around the same. But because I'm doing all of this like thing, it's not. It just keeps it interesting. And that's it for now. I will see you maybe in a couple of seconds finishing this, or tomorrow in the next video. Let me pose for a thumbnail. I'll see if it looks nice. And that is it for now. Once I get home, I'll figure out better way to like store everything, you know, keeping track. I have the photos to keep track of and everything. Oh my god, I'm sorry, just scratched on camera. It's really loud. And also if I get to go on a trip in the near future, I'll figure out a better setup for me to take all of the items with me in like a travel bag. Yeah, I'm going to finish. So okay, so I just looked, and this took me around 20 minutes to do ish. So yeah, I feel like it's going to be an overall like 40 minutes. I'll try to make them a little bit faster as I get used to like doing this every day. I think it's doable. Let's see. It was it was a success because I did do this yesterday. I just didn't manage to like do the whole video logging and posting. I did the logging, I just didn't do the posting. So I'm considering this a success for now. So this is it for today. I'll see you tomorrow, maybe in the next 2 days. Just come along. Let's take a little bit of time and crochet with me every day. And yeah, goodbye. Have a lovely evening, afternoon, morning, whenever you're watching this, and consider subscribing, liking this video, and I'll leave my social media on screen as well as on the comment section, not the comment section, the description down below. So if you want to go and click there and link directly to my social medias, you can. Have a lovely day, have a lovely year. I'll see you throughout the year. Do come back and spend some time with me. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you in the next one.